Hello, Victor here from Automotive Crewe. Today showing around this Ford Kuga 2.0 TDCi EcoBlue ST-Line. Finished in crisp white and powered by 2-liter diesel engine delivering 150 PS paired with manual transmission. This Kuga blends power and practicality with sporty styling. Up front, the Kuga features automatic halogen headlights with LED daytime running lights complemented by black painted upper grille with chrome accents and full ST-Line body styling. The 18-inch alloys do more than just look great, they also improve handling and road grip while adding to the vehicle's overall sporty silhouette. At the back you will find twin exhaust setup with integrated diffuser lending a dynamic finish to the Kuga's profile, privacy glass and power folding mirror system with paddle lights add both style and convenience. The boot offers practical storage with flat load floor and 60/40 split folding rear seats, which recline for added flexibility. Rear passengers will find plenty of legroom and headroom and are also treated to folding center armrest and folding head restraints. Up front, the ST-Line seats feature sporty contrast stitching and multi-way manual adjustment with lumbar support. The dark headline and chrome finish door levers set a premium tone, while the leather gear knob and steering wheel complete the sporty interior. The steering wheel is multifunctional and ergonomically designed, paired with a crane reach adjustment. Gear shift indicator, variable dimming and digital instrument cluster ensure clear feedback and connected driving experience. On board you will find dual-zone electronic automatic temperature control, which ensures perfectly balanced cabin, an infotainment system in the form of sync-free with DAB and audio streaming, as well as USB port and Bluetooth audio. Built-in sat-nav for clear route guidance and plenty of car settings, allowing you to access Ford driver assist features and audio adjustments. You also get voice control and app connectivity. The driver will also benefit from the feedback from rear parking sensors, which aid with parking. This has been a presentation of the Ford Kuga 2.0 TDCi EcoBlue ST-Line. For more information, visit us online or give us a call today.